Let us know which one is your favorite in the comments section below. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. First we have Sheriff Callie. Her tub is full of pink Play-Doh Dippin' dots. It's a cute little minion. He looks like a caveman. Next we have Chase from the Paw Patrol. His tub is full of green Play-Doh Dippin' dots. It's Hello Kitty. Next we have Jake from Jake and the Neverland Pirates. His tub is full of purple Play-Doh Dippin' dots. It's George Pig. He's Peppa Pig's brother. Next we have Spiderman. His tub is full of yellow Play-Doh Dippin' dots. It's Minnie Mouse. Doesn't she look adorable? Next we have Owlette from PJ Masks. Her tub is full of blue Play-Doh Dippin' dots. It's Queen Elsa from Disney Frozen. Next we have Tigress from Kung Fu Panda. Her tub is full of orange Play-Doh Dippin' dots. It's Diesel the Train from Thomas and Friends. Oh look, Batman is here to give us a surprise. It's a wind-up train. Oh no, it ran into Batman. We hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a like and share with all of your friends. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button to subscribe.